The connection between mind and body is a fundamental aspect of wellness and physical health, deeply explored within the realm of positive psychology. This holistic view recognizes that psychological well-being and physical health are interdependent, influencing each other in significant and measurable ways. Understanding this connection can lead to more effective strategies for enhancing both mental and physical health, ultimately leading to a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. The mind-body connection. This connection is based on the premise that mental processes can affect bodily functions and vice versa. Psychoneuroimmunology, PNI. This field studies the interaction between psychological processes, the nervous system, and the immune system. Research shows that stress and anxiety can lower immune function, while positive emotions can enhance it, making the body more resilient against diseases. Psychophysiological coherence. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness can induce a state of coherence where the heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure synchronize and operate optimally. This state is associated with reduced stress, improved cognitive function, and overall health. Biofeedback. This method involves using electronic devices to learn to control body functions, such as heart rate. It is used to harness the power of the mind to improve physical health, particularly in conditions controlled by the autonomic nervous system, such as hypertension and headaches. Impact of mental health on physical health. Mental health significantly impacts physical health in various ways. Stress and physical health. Chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity. Managing stress through psychological interventions can reduce these risks. Depression and immunity. Depression and anxiety can weaken the immune system, making one more susceptible to infections and slower recovery times. Conversely, improving mental health can boost immune response and overall physical health. Positive emotions and longevity. Research has consistently shown that positive emotions and a positive outlook can contribute to longer lifespans. Optimism is linked with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and improved recovery from illness. Enhancing physical health through psychological well-being. Positive psychology provides tools and strategies that not only improve mental health but also have beneficial effects on physical health. Regular physical activity. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever. It can improve mood, enhance self-esteem, and is one of the most effective ways to improve mental health, which in turn contributes to physical health. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices have been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression, while also lowering blood pressure and improving immune function. Cognitive behavioral techniques. These strategies can help individuals manage chronic pain, adhere to medical treatments, and adjust lifestyle changes necessary for physical health, such as smoking cessation or diet modifications. Social connections. Building and maintaining strong social ties have been linked to reduced risks of heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Social support not only helps buffer stress, but also influences our behavior toward healthier lifestyle choices. Positive thinking and resilience. Developing a resilient and optimistic mindset can help people better manage health challenges when they arise. Resilience training often focuses on adaptive ways to cope with physical illness, thereby promoting a quicker recovery and improved health outcomes. By integrating strategies aimed at enhancing mental well-being into daily routines, individuals can experience significant improvements in their physical health. The synergy between mind and body means that fostering a positive mental state can lead to a healthier, more vibrant physical existence, illustrating the profound interconnectivity of our psychological and physiological processes.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.